is Maya Huber, and I'm from Louisville Collegiate School. So at my school, we have 4 cornerstones: honor, responsibility, respect, and compassion. These are all very important. So why do you think compassion is the most important?
그런데 랍들이야 아니 수도 전부 시스요레스 디게디 오너체 아니 겐쿠체 아니 크지체 닝지시드 지기요레스 저 군중 간난 저거 닝지 계시주 송부터 또 공부하시면서
honor.
responsibility.
Do you think in the past history, some individual become hero out of killing thousands of people or enemy soldier, enemy people? Do you think that's honor? 가.
말에 나온데 뭐야 뭔 놈들
가.
뭔 놈들이 서로 잘 알아서
I think those are the people, you see, consider honor, just honor. I think sometimes, you see, when we have lack of compassion, lack of sense of concern of other human brothers, sisters, we develop strong sort of barrier, we and they. And then concept of violence is developed. War means mobilized violence, and in some cases legalized violence. So the people who sort of kill thousands of people, sometimes we call hero and great honor. Honor is good. So that I don't think positive. So honor. Again, responsibility. I think those soldiers, those sort of marshals, field marshals, I think they really fulfilled their responsibility to defeat the enemy. I think what a scientist who made nuclear weapon, nuclear bomb. I remember. Oh yes, like that.
Yeah.
I think his own sort of knowledge is wonderful, but then used for destruction. So responsibility, again related with some other thing. Respect also. Just to respect or admire those billionaires, I don't think something necessarily good. You yourself and try to become billionaire. What use? So therefore now, honor, responsibility, respect, whether these become positive or negative, depend on compassion. So compassion is more important.
Hi, Your Holiness. My name is Imani Burns. I'm from Wagner High School. And my question is, what is fear to you, and have you ever experienced it?
Fear. One time, I got one small dog bite. Bit me. Then later, someone told me that dog is mad dog. So some fear. The Dalai Lama may become mad person. So such things, of course, you see, it's something I usually telling people, practice of compassion is very important, but when one mad dog approach to you, then it is wrong. It is silly to say, oh, compassion. You must take the appropriate action, like that. So therefore, sometimes you see fear like that is necessary. Protect yourself. Then, of course, fear of Holocaust. When I visit Poland, they say,
Auschwitz.
어디.
Auschwitz. Yeah.
Oh, I had opportunity to visit the
Concentration camps.
the concentration camp, and particularly the top
The furnace. No?
furnace where you see people burnt. I visit there. How? And then explain the thousands of people burned there. And then another room, another little bit hall. I was told that's the
The shower room.
or shower. So this, then also you see explanation by expert. Today's nuclear sort of weapon, which we preserved, if this is a weapon used, then Zambuli torching sumshi degrees.
The experts tell us if we were to use the weapons at our disposal, the nuclear weapons, we have the capacity to destroy the world several times over.
Or at least 3-4 times. Unthinkable. Then also the other day in Wisconsin, one sort of expert that is loved Kuyuti.
Yes. An environment.
장세 땅 납전이 실내비는 십적서 실내비는 은양 살살.
His Holiness is referring to a recent panel discussion on environment and ethics at University of Wisconsin-Madison. One of the environmental experts informed the audience that just recently he was one of the co-winners of the Nobel Peace Prize as one of the lead authors for the climate change report. And he mentioned that just recently we have crossed a major threshold, which is the carbon emission of 400 per million. And he mentioned that if we were to cross 450 parts per million, then it would be really dangerous.
So this is a question of survival of entire humanity. These are really very serious. So when we listen, you see these explanations by experts who really concentrate or research this work, and then you get real sort of fear or anxiety. So if there is possibility to overcome this, then we must do something. So fear, there are two types of fear. Fear just due to mental projection. That use intelligence and analyze the reality. So the mental projected sort of fear is through analyzation will reduce. Some fear is really because of sufficient reasons. Then that fear is helpful to take precaution. To motivate this precaution and also making effort to avoid these sort of dangers or these sort of dangers like that. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Holiness. I'm Daniel Stegeman from Louisville Collegiate School, and I want to know, how would one create a peace-filled life weighted with the stress of high academic standards and rigorous sports schedules?
잘 잡아주나 peace control.
Pressure style, right?
로중.
stress down. 아니 한국도 때문에 된다.
I think again I mentioned it before, and then also is the type of sort of the causes which bring stress. That also is differences. If something noble, something really valuable goal, something sort of beneficial to others and oneself, then some sort of anxiety, some stress. It's good. Bring more energy, more effort. That's good. But then usually, stress, I think again, you see, basically, you see, the attitude, the material sort of values, including sports, or money, or fame, these things, essentially materialistic sort of thing. Then too much stress. Or you may not agree. I feel that's quite wasteful. So material value, material sort of, because the facility, need. But at the same time, we should not become slave of money. Money should bring peace of mind or comfortable mind. Too much worry due to money is opposite.
So if you, again, it's one's own state of mind. If one,
your body, speech, mind, totally dedicated for money. Wrong. Money should be serve comfort, mental comfort, or physical comfort, like that. So it is. So that education.
so again, we come back to the role of education and how the youngsters are educated.
That's my view. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Holiness. I'm Rebecca Sauer from Presentation Academy. What is the greatest obstacle you have faced so far on your journey to promote peace and preserve the Tibetan culture?
Kasa. I think peace and global level or greater, the greater way thing, then I feel ignorance. I really feel ignorance and short-sighted. Short-sighted way. Short-sighted. So one of my commitment is promotion of human value and also promotion of religious harmony. In these two fields, I think the real obstacle is lack of knowledge, lack of short-sightedness, lack of holistic. So I always try to explain. Then about Tibet, I think again, Rishungi Pandokariva, Mashina in Rishun.
Again, the same thing is to try to educate other people about the value of the Tibetan culture, because if people don't appreciate the value, then they don't see the point of protecting it and preserving it.
You see some Tibetan, actually you see some good student and very good sort of potential become scholar. Sometimes they stop their study and illegally immigrate to United States making money. So quite large number of Tibetan who illegally immigrate to Europe and America. These people not for preservation of Tibetan culture, but just seeking American dollar or European euro. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. In, I think, Canada, you see, they carry some sort of movement or some practice. The student go to those family which was the poor condition, and also sometimes you see the old parent and children go to the school, and sometimes you see they are washing or cleaning these things. Those who are
not able to do this themselves.
So some students, you see, go such sort of families and helping, serving. Of course, not all time, but you see, once a week, something like that.
Volunteer,
Volunteer basis. That also, I think, very good. You see, implement our sense of concern, our sense of sort of concern of others' well-being. Then also, you see, when you visit, you see, the poor family, a difficult family, I think like the victims of this sort of some of the places, poor family, I think you get more sort of experience. And then that is really not just to talk about compassion, value of compassion, but implement that. That also I think useful, gain some experience.